back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Jessie Wessie, and today, as you can see by the title, I am going to bring you guys an at-home paint and sip college edition because I'm in my dorm. I don't know, today just felt like a paint and sip kind of day. It's kind of cloudy outside. I don't really feel like leaving my room, so I am going to do a little paint and sip. And before we even get into the video, I'm gonna show you guys the materials that I got, and guess where I got them from? The dollar store. Y'all know my little dollar store obsession. So I got, these are my paint materials, and I also picked up canvases instead of one. And I know like they're really small, but they didn't have the larger ones at the dollar store. And I've never actually painted before, so this actually might fail. Or just no, like they look really small, so I picked up another pack of brushes that, you know, look a little bigger for. So as y'all know, at the paint and sips, or just like any time that you're painting, you usually have like a cup or a bottle that you have with water that you like dip your paint brushes in. Okay, I don't have one of those, so I'm gonna cut this half of my water bottle to serve as that. And again, it's college edition, so you guys are not gonna bully me. Thank you. So here we are. This is gonna be our little cup with water that we put the paint brushes in. Exciting. I hope it comes out nice, so I can like put it in my room or something. I'll show y'all what I'm sipping on. Topps spring water, ice colds, you know. Here. Okay, so the image that I'm trying to recreate is going to be some version of this. I'm not really a painter, like I said. I'm not really sure how to get it to look like that, but I'm gonna try. Medium size brush, and I'm going to attempt to create these stroke things in the back. Why I feel like the color not picking up? What's going on here? Okay. Interesting. So that's my first stroke, guys, but I feel like the color, I don't know, maybe you need a little bit more water. Looked like the color wasn't picking up. Okay, maybe that's a little better. Okay, and I'm just gonna do like random blue strokes, and then I'm gonna go in and fill in like the rest of the colors, because obviously it doesn't have to be perfect, you know?
Imagine, if you will, sitting down to your morning coffee, turning on your home computer to read the day's newspaper. Well, it's not as far-fetched as it may seem. In fact, both local San Francisco papers are investing a lot of money to try and get a service just like that started. Science editor Steve Newman reports on one person already using the brand new system.
Done. She's a little slanted, but I guess she could be, I don't know, leaning, something like that. But I don't know, I think it came out pretty good for my first try, and I definitely did enjoy the whole like paint vibe thing. So I think I'm gonna take up painting as one of my new hobbies. I'm seeing that for myself. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little at-home paint and sip college edition. As always, do not forget to subscribe down below, give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to comment down below and let me know what other things I should paint. Give me some ideas, be my muse, give me some inspiration, something like that. All right, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.